How to prepare the natural nails for gel extensions on tips. First, I file the natural nails short, I remove all the free edge, and then mat the surface of the nail plate. For this, I use a soft side of the file in 180 grit. I make sure the shape of the natural nail is roundy and even. My next step is the cuticle prep. For this, I love to use cuticle bead number 1 from Kohana. It is a flat cone shape bead. I start from right to the left side on forward rotation in 10,000 of RPM. And exactly the same thing I will do on the other nail, from right to the left, very gently and softly. I remove the dead skin. I also make sure that the angle of holding the bead is around 30 degrees, so the side of the bead is attached to the nail. So now I just remove the excess of the dust just to make sure there's nothing left. And now I will do dehydration with the cleaner number 1. You can do the dehydration only on the nail, or you could also wipe the skin. After dehydration, it's time to stick the fake tip. Today I want to show you the prep for oval and almond shape. So I choose the tips in almondy shape. They already pinched and have beautiful C-curve underneath. So I have to make sure I choose correct size so they are not too big and not too small. This tips doesn't have a pocket for the glue, so I just make sure I apply enough, around like 1-2 millimeters. I apply the tip very gently. Please remember, when you have pinched curvy tips already, you cannot press too hard. Pressing the tip too hard, it can cause the tip going too flat and also can cause pressing out the glue. So I leave it for a few seconds, I hold and wait the glue to dry. It usually takes around 10 seconds. And now I go to the another nail. I also check the size first to make sure it's not too big and not too small. And I apply the glue, and then very gently, with the very gentle pressure, I apply the tip just to make sure the tip I don't pull too high or I don't press too much. So then I will create like a claw nails. The tip should be applied with the natural nail growth. And again, I hold a few seconds, and after that, the glue is definitely dry and nails are ready to cut. To cutting the tips, I use the tip cutter. I always decide with the client what length they want, and then I cut nice and fast. After cutting, I usually check the length. Is the length matched to each other? Sometimes I keep them exactly the same and sometimes proportional. You can see here the index finger is a little bit shorter because I want to keep them proportional. And now it's time for filing and blending the tip. So I start first with the sides, and then I'm matting the surface of the tip and blending the tip with the natural nail. You have to be sure that you don't leave any shiny spots on the tip. When the nail is shiny, when the tip is shiny, the gel can lift. Now I file the shape, so I angled my file and go a little bit underneath on the top of the tip. I remove the little corners, working from left to right. So you can see straight away the tip is changing the shape from being straight to go roundy. Now I just make the tip a little bit more narrow in the shape to create oval shape. And here you can see I don't file underneath. I only hold the file parallel to the edge of the tip. And in this one also I do exactly the same thing. I file the shape from underneath on the top to change the shape straight away to almondy shape. After I see the tip is going more narrow, I go to the sides to bring the top of the tip to the middle. I file from both sides to make sure my shape is even. Keep the highest point in the middle part of the tip. Now I mat the surface of the tip to remove all the shine. In the first nail I did that before the shaping, but to be honest it doesn't matter, you can start either or. Now I remove the dust and now it's time for acid-free primer. Make sure you apply the primer only on the natural nail and you choose the appropriate primer for the nail type. If the nail plate is more oily, you use acid primer. If the nail plate is regular, you use acid-free. After the primer, I apply a pro base. The pro base is the base to keep the best retention for the gel. I apply just a little bit from the bottle and now I swap to my gel brush and I will brush in the base into the nail plate. You can keep it based just on the natural nail, that's completely enough, but if you have a little bit too much, also you can stretch that to the tip. After this, you should go to lamp for 1 minute and now this is your nails ready for gel application.